Are you looking for lightweight folding bikes? These bikes are perfect for quick trips around town or for taking on public transport. Their compact design saves space at home or in the office. Easy to fold, easy to unfold. Lightweight folding bikes are popular among city dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. List number: Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike, 21 speed, full suspension, high carbon steel, MTB foldable bicycle. Discover adventure with the Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike. This bike offers full suspension for a smooth ride. Built with high carbon steel, it ensures strength and durability. Dual disc brakes enhance safety on downhill or rough terrains. Non-slip tires provide excellent grip and stability. Perfect for adults who love exploring trails. Advantages: discover the versatility of the Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike. This foldable bicycle offers practical benefits for every rider. Easy storage and transport, fits effortlessly in small spaces. 21-speed gear system, provides smooth rides on various terrains. High carbon steel frame, ensures durability and long-lasting use. Dual disc brakes, enhances safety and control during rides. Non-slip tires, offers stability and grip on different surfaces. List number 2. Zizzo Compo 20-inch folding bike with 7-speed adjustable stem. Discover the Zizzo Compo 20-inch folding bike, perfect for urban adventurers. Its sleek black frame offers lightweight convenience. Easy folding design ensures quick storage in tight spaces. Experience smooth rides with a 7-speed adjustable stem. Ideal for commuting and leisure rides. Advantages: easy portability with a lightweight frame and folding design. Perfect for city commuting and quick storage. 7-speed gear system offers smooth rides on various terrains. Adaptable for both urban and suburban adventures. Adjustable stem provides personalized comfort for different rider heights. Ensures an ergonomic cycling experience. Sturdy construction enhances durability and long-term use. Built to withstand daily wear and tear. Sleek black design adds a touch of style. Blends well with any personal aesthetic. List B. Home 20-inch folding beach cruiser bike for adults. 7-speed foldable bicycle for women, men. Experience the joy of cycling with the Home 20-inch folding beach cruiser bike. Perfect for both women and men. This bike offers 7 speeds for easy riding. Its foldable design ensures portability, making commuting or vacationing hassle-free. Adjustable seat and handlebar provide comfort tailored to your needs. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts or casual riders seeking a reliable companion. Advantages: compact design enables easy storage and transportation. Perfect for small spaces. Adjustable seat and handlebar offer personalized comfort, tailored for every rider. 7-speed gear system improves versatility. Navigate varied terrains with ease. Ideal for commuting and fitness. Promotes a healthy lifestyle. Foldable feature enhances portability. Convenient for travel and vacations. List number: Viribus folding bike, lightweight foldable bicycle for adults, 20-inch. Experience the joy of cycling with the Viribus folding bike. This lightweight foldable bicycle is perfect for city commuting. Its 20-inch size and 7-speed derailleur offer smooth rides for both men and women. Designed for convenience, it easily collapses for quick storage. The vibrant pumpkin orange color adds a touch of fun to your daily commute. Ideal for those seeking a practical and stylish transport option. Advantages: compact design ensures easy storage in small spaces. Perfect for city apartments and offices. Lightweight frame simplifies carrying and transport. Ideal for commuters and travelers. 7-speed derailleur offers smooth shifting on varied terrains. Effortless rides for diverse landscapes. Bright pumpkin orange color enhances visibility and style. Stand out safely in urban environments. Collapsible feature makes quick folding possible. Convenient for public transport and car trunks. List number 5. Kaiworkson 26-inch folding beach cruiser bike for women. 7-speed ladies bike with basket and rack. Discover the joy of cycling with the Kaiworkson 26-inch folding beach cruiser bike. Designed for women, it offers a comfortable ride. Easy to fold and store, perfect for city commuting. The 7-speed gear system lets you tackle different terrains effortlessly. Handy basket and rack for carrying essentials on the go. Stylish blue design adds a cheerful touch to your rides. Advantages: cruise through the city with ease. This bike's 7 speeds offer smooth rides on different terrains. Perfect for navigating urban landscapes and sandy beaches. A folding design makes storage simple. Ideal for small apartments or car trunks. No more worrying about where to keep your bike. Stylish and functional basket. Carry groceries, books, or beach gear effortlessly. Keeps your hands free for better control. Built for comfort and style. This bike ensures a pleasant ride every time. Enjoy cycling without sacrificing elegance. Great for commuting. Get to work or explore the city. A reliable companion for daily adventures.